In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the profile picture on your Zoom workplace. So if you are on your Zoom, you've logged in, you can come to the profile available over here. You can click, you can see the profile picture. As you navigate over here, you can check my profile over here. So you can click and this is going to pop in for you to log into your Zoom account. Once you log in, you'll be able to be brought in over here and you can click on this and you'll be able to upload the next profile picture that you want to put. So let's say you can click on change, you can choose a photo, you can take a photo, or you can delete this one if you're interested. So let's say I choose from my system and I have this picture of mine, the desktop, this one, and I can just select it. This file size is big. So let's say I want to change it to something. Okay, so let's say I have this. Okay, I have this logo and I want to change it to this logo. I can just click and you can see it has now been replaced. You can play around with the sizing as well if you're interested in changing the sizing. And once you click on save here, this is now going to take in as your own profile picture. Once you click on this, it is going to take this as your own profile picture. And you can see it has now been changed. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.